In this video, I'm going to teach you how to solve the question on my screen. We are given a unity feedback control system and it has a forward transfer function. So we have this. Unless you are told that the feedback system is a closed system, then you can just use the value of g of s like that. It means it has been resolved. Now resolving the block diagram, we have the transfer function to be 8 over, by now we should know block diagram reduction because I explained it. And let me still, no, I don't want this video to be too long. Just know that there is one here, unity feedback 1. So to resolve this feedback circuit, to be this over 1 plus this times this, and then you can resolve and get this value. Now we can also continue because this transfer function is in the standard form, and we are asked to find the output C naught of t when the system is subjected to 2 units input. That means the input C of t is equal to 2. So that means C Laplace transform of this function of time is equal to 2 over s. From my previous video, to find C naught of t, this will be equal to inverse Laplace transform of the input so now we have gotten this value and we have gotten this value. Now is to find their product and see if we can from there get the inverse Laplace transform. So the product is 2 over s times 8 over s squared plus 6s plus 8. This gives you 16 over s squared plus 6s plus 8. We can't find, looking at this, you can't find the inverse Laplace transform directly, but we can find it using partial fraction method. So converting this to partial fraction, I'm going to be using residue method here. But first should be equal to 16. We can still factorize the denominator further. So be s plus 4 and s plus 2. Now to convert to partial fraction, this is identical to a over s plus b over s plus 4 plus c over s plus 2. Now using residue method, a is equal to 16 divided by s plus 4 s plus 2 and for a, s is equal to 0. Substituting 0 gives you 16 over 4 times 2. This is equal to 2. For the next, which is b, this is 16 over s plus 2, s is equal to minus 4. For b, this will be 16 divided by minus 4 times minus 2, is equal to 2. C is equal to 16 over s plus 4. For c, s is equal to minus 2. This will be 16 over minus 2 times 2 equal to minus 4. Using residue method, this is the pattern. You use the denominator to get the values for substitution and then get your unknowns. Now, as we have gotten it, partial fraction, the product in partial fraction is 2 over s plus 2 over s plus 4 minus 4 over s plus 2. C naught of t is equal to inverse Laplace transform of this. So now inverse Laplace transform of this is 2 plus 2 exponential minus 4t minus 4 exponential minus 2t. So this is the solution to this question. This is C naught of t for a system that is subjected to 2 unit input. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.